How to redeem a PayPal gift card. So to start, what you need to do is to open your browser and then search for paypal.com. After that, you will have to log in or sign into your account. Once you're logged in, simply tap on this wallet option, and then in here we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this link a card option. So in order for us to redeem a PayPal gift card, what we need to do first is to link our PayPal account to a card. So you can either use your debit or credit card, and then you will also have to select a card type, and then you need to add the expiration date of your card. Also, you have to input your security code and then the billing address. Once you're done filling up all the information, what you need to do is to tap on this link card option. Once our PayPal account is linked to a card, by doing that, we can now redeem our PayPal gift card and then it will automatically add up to our PayPal balance. So that's how easy you can redeem a PayPal gift card. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!